Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. You also want to operate your phone like this, just like how my apps are. I can go to my file manager, view my videos, check out everything here using my computer, not actually using the phone. So it is just a simple thing. You're going to do this without using any third-party app, without installing anything on your phone, or even using any coding. So let's get started. Well, now let's start the thing. What you're going to do first is go to your website and type scrcpy. Then you press OK. You must be having internet connection. So once you get here, you get it from this website called github.com. So you tap on that. So from here, you'll see that there's a latest release here, or you can scroll down and you look for it saying Windows download, and here it is. It comes here. It's around 24 MB, 0.9, the recent update. If another one comes, it can slightly change a little. So you're going to run it. Now it has completed. So you show the folder, and you're going to pick this, copy this folder. Then you go to your C drive, local disk C, or depends on how you've named it. First of all, you can paste your software you copied from there. Then of course it needs the administrator permission. Then you say continue. Well, then you create your folder and name it scrcpy. You've created your folder. Now let's carry these two inside this folder. So you've moved it inside the folder. Let's now extract it right on this folder. You're going to right click on it, then say extract. This has already been all extracted. So now what you're going to do is this. Well, now we have reached this part. There are two things that we really have to make sure we now do before you are able to display your phone or view watch your videos on your phone through your PC. So this is what you're going to do. First is you have to activate developer settings on your phone, and also after activating developer settings, you have to activate the USB debugging. So in case you don't know how to activate USB debugging, let me give you a pop-up a little bit of how you can do it. So this you will check out this video. Now for you to activate developer settings, and for you so that you're able to activate USB debugging, you have to go to settings on your phone. Then you go to my phone. Depends on the phone, but most of them you go to my phone. Then you scroll and look for the build number. If you don't go to my phone, there can be other options about my phone. Then you look for the build number. So you tap that build number. The number of times, you see, 7 times, depends on the phone. There are 7 times. I've already touched it 3 times. This is the 4th time, 5th, 6th, and 7th time. So you're going to put in your password, and you say okay. So you find now you are a developer. So once you're done with that, you go back, and you have to come back to settings. Then you scroll down, system. You'll see developer settings are now here. So here you'll be able to activate USB debugging, so that you'll be able to view your phone on a PC. So now you scroll and you see this area called USB debugging. So you're just going to tap that, and that is all you have to do. So let's go back and continue to connect our phone to a PC, so that you'll be able to control it on your PC. Yes, now we have been able to activate USB debugging. So the next step, you have to also check it very carefully, because if you've not really picked it, it's going to not work well for you. So what you're going to do is open the other folder we created earlier. Go to local disk C, and remember this is our folder. Open it. Then, but our interest is now this URL. So you're going to click in front of it here, for you to be able to pick it. Or if you can't click there, you can just look at it, the name of the PC, the location, and the file name. So but the best you can do is click in front here, right click and copy, or you can click in front then Control C. All of them are better options. So once you're done with that, you can minimize your window, then you go to your PC and click, you type in CMD, that is command prompt, and right click on it, run as administrator. You're going to say okay, whatever comes, say yes, and you click OK. Then it brings for you this menu. So from here you're going to say CD, then you click on it and you're going to click in front of here and Control V. So once you finish to Control V, you're going to press OK, enter just once. So now it has brought for us this. The next thing you're going to do is type in here scrcpy, or you can be able to copy the word alone, then you press enter. So once you press this, you should be able to your phone without any app, without any software, just completely your phone. So that is basically what you do. Now what you're going to do is be able to control anything on your phone just right using this. You can see it is a full screen, and also I can have it on the other screen. This is my phone. You can enlarge it whatever size you want it to be, or you want it to be just something simple, reduce it on the sides. Then you can be able to view your WhatsApp messages, anything. You can see my mouse is here. Let me just go to Facebook. Facebook should be somewhere, it's here. You can see I am able to view anything on my phone using my computer. So that is basically what you do. Thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe.